Are you tired of plain candle vessels? How to turn plain vessels into candle art. Here's what you need. You need a sublimation oven, a sublimation printer, sublimation paper, a heat gun, heat tape, and shrink wrap. Download your design as a transparent file. Print your design twice for glass. Make sure you mirror your design. Cut your design to size and tape to your candle vessel. Cover all edges of the design and make sure there are no wrinkles. Using heat-resistant tape. Cut your shrink wrap into a rectangle, wrap around the design, tape up the seam, and shrink wrap around your vessel using your heat gun. Heat your sublimation oven to 390 degrees. Bake your candle for 6 minutes. Let your candle cool for 30 minutes before unwrapping. Unwrap your artwork. Enjoy your unique and personalized candle designs. Enjoy your creativity. If you can think it, you can make it. Design in Canva, in ChatGPT, design in Gamma, design in Gemini. Need this step-by-step in writing so you can easily follow along? Pick up my book at cost. I will teach you step-by-step how to transform a plain candle vessel into works of art using sublimation and engraving. And see you next time on The Candle Artist Way.